In this video, we are going to the environment, biotic, and abiotic. In this chapter, we shall look at how living organisms form communities within ecosystems through which energy is transferred. We shall learn how populations of different species live in communities and how competition for survival arises both within and between these populations. We shall also see how population within a single community are affected by living and non-living factors in an ecosystem. To do so, some terms should be defined first in order to better understand these concepts. First, what is meant by ecology? Ecology is the study of the interrelationships between organisms and their environment. So, it is the study of how organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment. The environment includes both the biotic and abiotic factors. So what do we mean by these two factors? Well, biotic factors are the living factors such as the competition and predation. On the other hand, the abiotic factors include the non-living factors that affect the communities such as the temperature, water, and light intensity. We shall look at how these factors affect the communities in the next videos.